Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable call ID on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So then come to this list here, then all you have to do now, just click here on call ID or caller ID here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for us a list like this. You click here on disable caller ID here and you click here on disable. So then it's going to disable with us here on your VCAP. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.